How to block users on Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block them. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this chat icon. Simply tap on this chat icon. So this is the place where you can find the people whom you like or whom you have followed. So simply tap on the one whom you want to block. Now, here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon. Here, you'll be able to find the option called report and block. Simply select on block and tap on block. So it will take some time. So now, as you can see, the person is completely blocked. Now, you cannot message them unless you unblock them. So they will be blocked and all the messages and everything will be blocked completely. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.